Hello everyone, myself Neha Sharma, Assistant Professor from Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. Our today's topic is Human Resource Planning. What is Human Resource Planning? Human Resource Planning is a process that identifies current and future human resources need for an organization to achieve its goal. Human resource planning involves getting the right number of qualified people into the right jobs at the right time. So, we can say it is a process by which an organization ensures right people, right job at the right time. So, three things are using here: right people, right job, and right time. So, these three things are important to complete this process. So it is always based on forecasting, because the word planning is used here, human resource planning. So where the word planning is used, it means it is future oriented. So human resource planning is involves getting the right number of qualified people into the right job at the right time. Now, meaning of HR planning. HR planning is a process by which an organization ensures that it has the right number and kind of people at the right place at the right time, capable of effectively and efficiently completing those tasks that will help the organization achieving its overall objective. Now, definition of HR planning. Human resource planning or manpower planning is the process of systematically reviewing HR requirements to ensure that the required number of employees with the required skills is available when they are needed. Getting the right number of qualified people into the right job is the crux of the problem here. So this is the definition of HR planning. Now, according to the above definition, HR planning consists of the following elements. The first is establishing the and recognition future job requirements. Next, identifying deficiency in terms of quantity. Next, identify deficiency in terms of quality and specification. Next, developing the available manpower. And last is ensuring the effective utilization of the workforce. So all these are main main elements which are the result of conclusion of the definition. Now come to the characteristics of HR planning. What are the characteristics of HR planning? The first characteristic of HR planning is future oriented. Yes, human resource planning is prepared to assess the future requirement of manpower in the organization. It helps identifying the size and composition of resources of future purpose. And next is continuous process. Human resource planning is a continuous process, because the human resource planning prepared today may not be applicable for the future due to the ever changing or external forces of the environment. So hence, to address such changing factors, human resource planning needs to be revised and updated continuously. Next is optimum utilization of human resources. Yes, human resource planning focuses on optimum utilization of resources in the organization. It checks how employees are utilized productively, and it is also identifies employees existing capabilities and future potentialities to perform the work. Next is right kind and numbers. Yes, human resource planning determines the right number and kind of people at the right time and right place who are capable of performing the required jobs. It is also assesses the future requirement of manpower for the organizational objective. Next is determination of demand and supply. Human resource planning is a process of determining the demand for the supply of human resources in the organization. Then a match between demand and supply estimates the optimum level of manpower. Next is environmental influences. Yes, human resource planning is influenced by environmental changes. Hence, it is to be updated as per the change occupied in the external environment. Next is related to corporate plan. Yes, human resource planning is an integral part of overall corporate plan of the organization. So it can be formulated at strategic, tactical and operational level. And next is a part of the human resource management system. Yes, as a part of total human resource management system, human resource planning is regarded as a component or main element of human resource management, which is concerned with the acquisition and assessment of manpower. It serves as a foundation for the management of human resources effectively and efficiently. Now come to the importance of HR planning. So human resource planning aims at to fulfill the objective of manpower requirement. It helps mobilize the recruited resources for productive activities. So the importance of human resource planning is as follows. The first is determines the future needs of manpower. Yes, human resource planning determines the future needs of manpower in terms of number and kind. That how many employees are required and what type of employees are required in organization. The next is to cope with the change. Coping with change. Human resource planning is important to cope with the change associated with external environmental factors such as technological, political, socio-cultural and economical forces. Next is recruitment of talented personnel. So another importance or purpose of HR planning is to recruit and select the most suitable personnel to fill the job vacancy. Next is development of human resources. Development of human resources. Yes, it is helpful in employee development through various training and development program to impart the required skills and ability in employees to perform the task efficiently and effectively. Proper utilization of human resources. Yes, it focuses on the optimum utilization of human resources to minimize the overall cost of production. Next is reduce labor cost. The another importance of human resource planning is that it reduces labor costs by maintaining a balance between demand for and supply of manpower. Next is boost employee morale. An effective human resource plan provides multiple gains to the employee by way of promotions, increase in salary and other fringe benefits. So this boosts employee morale. Next is finding out the deficiencies in existing manpower. It is useful in finding out the deficiencies in existing manpower and providing corrective training. Next and last is safety of health. The last importance of human resource planning is the safety of health. It provides for the welfare, health and safety of its employees, thus leads to an increased in productivity of the employees in the long run. So all these are importance of HR planning. So we will discuss now benefits, process and factors of HR planning in next video. So thank you so much.